Hey guys, today I'm going to review Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Design: in Note 10 Lite, height 163.7mm, width 76.1mm, thickness 8.7mm, weight 199 grams. Colors: Aura Glow, Aura Black, Aura Red. Display: screen size 6.7 inches, screen resolution 1080 into 2400 pixels, pixel density 393 ppi, display type Super AMOLED, screen protection Korean Gorilla Glass V3. Performance: chipset Samsung Exynos 9 Octa 9810, processor octa-core architecture 64-bit, RAM 8GB and 6GB. Rear camera setup triple resolution 12MP, 12MP and 12MP with LED flash with face detection autofocus, dual pixel autofocus. Image resolution 4000 into 3000 pixels. Camera features auto flash, face detection, touch to focus. Front camera setup single resolution 32MP without autofocus and without flash. Storage: internal memory 128GB, expandable memory up to 1TB, user available storage up to 106GB with USB OTG support. Battery capacity 4500 mAh, type Li-ion, quick charging, fast 25V with USB type C. Special features: fingerprint sensor position on screen, fingerprint sensor type optical, other sensor light sensor, proximity sensor, accelerometer, compass and gyroscope sensor. Guys, don't forget to tell us your opinion about Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite, and if you really like this video, please give us a like and do subscribe and hit the bell icon for more reviews and comparison videos.